My name is Jeroen van Bouwen. I'm responsible for product management at Xeikon, and I'm here at the Global Innovation Center, Xeikon, Belgium, in front of a Xeikon CX300 digital printing press. And I want to show you one of the applications that we're running here. It's a wine label application, but not just a standard wine label application. It's a wine label application with a personal feature inside. And not just a personal feature. Actually, what we did here is we made every label unique. We made every label with a unique design. There are no duplicate labels within the complete production, and I'm talking here about 100,000 of labels. Every label is unique. How did we do it? What did we use to create all these nicely designed labels? Actually, it is the Xeikon software, the Xeikon digital frontend, the X800. And actually we're using a plugin for this X800, the VariOne application, that is responsible for the generation of this job. That means that it's not happening in the pre-press department. In traditional environments, you would create such a job in the pre-press department. You would have a tool. That means you would have to invest in a tool to create these designs. You would have the need for a pre-press operator that links the database or a database with designs and creates the output. That output will then need to be converted on the digital front end. So it takes multiple steps, takes time in the pre-press department. What we're doing with X800 and with a VariOne application that runs on top of the X800, we're doing it directly on the digital front end itself. No dedicated application needed, no pre-press operator needed, no time to waste in pre-press, no time to waste on press. And we're printing these labels on a CX300 at 30 meters a minute, and the software can easily cope with the speed of the press. The generation of this output, we're printing here 100,000 different labels. The generation of this output has costed us about a minute to prepare 100,000 different design files to be printed on high quality output on the Xeikon press. Secret behind it, VariOne application. So what we do is actually we make sure that these wine labels with a butterfly, that the wings of these butterfly all have a unique pattern inside. It's based on a vector drawing, and we always take clippings of this vector drawing. Not just clippings, we can rotate them, we can scale them, so to make sure that we find enough unique designs. On top of that is the possibility, and that's what we did here with these samples. I can create also a color book and link this unique pattern with a random picking colors out of a color book. Of course, you want to control the randomization a little bit. So what I did in this example, I created a color book with all different shades of blue. And randomly, I replaced the colors from this pattern, from this unique pattern, with random chosen colors from the blue color book or from a red color book, or from combinations of both, if you want. So now it's the creativity of the designer that is defining the uniqueness of these labels. And there is a little bit more. Making unique labels, that's one thing. Some customers asked, okay, can we also create or combine this with security features? Xeikon is known because of the high quality resolution, the high quality output of the digital printing technology. Xeikon is known for being able to add brand protection features, to add high-end security features within its print. Also here we made a combination. We can use this high-end security output in combination with a VariOne application. And what we did is we asked the designer of a high security file to create a unique pattern, a unique secure pattern. And now we use this pattern in combination with the VariOne application to make sure that every label not just has a security pattern, but every label has now a unique security pattern, which makes this label impossible to copy, impossible to counterfeit the goods that are labeled with these labels. Nice application, and our customers are making use of this functionality. There's one more thing that I need to add. We are here on Xeikon CX300, one of our Cheetah 2.0 presses, based on the Xeikon electrophotographical principle, electrophotographical technology. The same software or the same tools are available for our graphic arts customer with the Sirius technology, and the same software is also available for our UV inkjet label presses based on the Panther technology. So they can all make use of this VariOne plugin for the X-800 digital front end.